Talofa guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have good food guys, really good food. I haven't tried these two, but you know our half moon pies, always good guys. Look at that, cooked nicely underneath. I have one pineapple and one coconuts. Okay, I haven't tried the coconut one. I don't even know which one is the coconut one. And the man was selling keke boa. See, keke bovi. I don't think it's keke boa. He said keke bovi. And then I dropped by to Mate Burger. Even though I didn't buy the burger, but I dropped over anyway. Stopped by and took my pick. And look what I got. Ooh. It's spaghetti. It's Filipino spaghetti. That's what the girl said. I'm swallowing because I'm hungry. And then it comes with these little chicken wing dings. Okay. I think this flat thing. Oh yeah, it's good too. So when it dribbles in there. So let me try this out. Oh, hang on guys. I've got to do my prayer. Yeah, anyway guys, look at this food. Can you see it? You know what, too much on my head, not enough down on my, there. Now can you see the food? Yeah, that's better. Yes, so guys, I got my fork, and my drink today is lemon and pyro, all the way from New Zealand guys. I'm not drinking a lot of fizz or really at all, but today I thought, yeah, I love supporting New Zealand food or drinks or whatever. Anyway, this is the only time I can do my ASMR. Can you hear the fizz? Anyway, cheers guys. Well done, lemon and pyro. Still around, lemon and pyro. Still around. Good on them. Good on them. Yeah. Leave it in my video. Anyway, I'm gonna get this started, guys. Yeah, it's a place. Yeah. When I was at the Mate Burger, I went next door. I'll show you my goodies that I got. I went next door to T-Lish and got me all this banoffee, Milo, and Twix. My favorite is Milo, the Milo one. Now all of a sudden, my kids are saying, yeah, I want the Milo, I want, hello, I didn't even know you liked Milo, or I didn't even know you knew there was Milo. Oh guys, okay, rip it open. I like those buns that's got the nice shine on top. This one's got the shine. So you better get that paper out of it, because you might forget and you're thinking, ooh, this burger tastes papery. And you're eating the paper. Yeah, let me open it so we can all have a look. Oh, look at that. Okay guys, I better put this here. No, I'll put this here. Yeah. Have a first bite guys. With nice flavour. I like the nice flavour ones, eh? Nice. Mamoe. It's so good, guys. I don't know what this is. Might be chili sauce. I don't know. Look at me just sucking that up. But what if it's hot chili? Oh, it's spicy. You know what? I told you the right time. I've been practicing my chili eating whatever. Because, you know, I don't like it how everyone likes the chili. Not everyone, but people can eat chili. And here's me, being useless. I can't eat the chili. So I've been practicing, crying, practicing eating chili. What's this? I don't know what it is, but, you know. Okay, I don't know. I really don't know, guys, but let's get going. Oh, they got that nice Filipino sausage. So this is a Filipino spaghetti, they said. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Good. This is from here. My burger. It's right next door to where you buy your brownies at Seedless in the Mountain County. You know what I like about this? The spaghetti is not overcooked. Very nice. Anyway, the chicken wing looks good. Do you know I put a calo for this and I haven't even got it? I'm going to get it. Won't be long. I'm back with my calo. I got a little calo. I thought, well, there's got to be chicken wings. I want to eat it with a piece of calo. Okay, guys, that's why I said, got a lot of good food today. I got a little old too, but where can it fit? Can't fit here. So, I'll get this done. And the little owl, I'll probably do it tonight. This is good. The cattle is for my chicken wing. Oh. Yep. Twist it and pull. Very tasty. I ate a cattle. It's good food. Oh, I had some of that. I had, what was it? What was my mukbang yesterday? I can't remember, but it was really messy. It was messy. This is actually nice. Now that I know it's nice, I'll visit them a bit more. Because I went there today for the first time. because I knew I wanted to do it as a mukbang. Mate's burger, mate burger. But I thought I won't get the mate burger because by the time I get it home, it's all soggy and wet. But this, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, have some. Try it out. This is good spaghetti. Good food. It's good food. Mate burger. 2 thumbs up. It's really nice. I love the spaghetti. It's not overcooked. And they make it with these little Filipino sausages. It has a mild sauce. This spaghetti. Because some spaghetti sauce is like a bit tangy. This one's mild. How's everyone going anyway, by the way? Look at me, how rude, I didn't even ask. Sorry about that, guys. How you guys going? Oh, gosh. You guys have been leaving me comments. Very supportive, very caring, and I appreciate it. Thank you very much, guys. You know, you make our videos worthwhile. Thank you so much. I tried this sauce, I don't know what it is. It might be on here. No. No, I don't know. It's nice. They got a lot of nice food by the looks of it. I watched to go eat a burger there. And it looks really good. It's one of those shiny top buns. It was really, really soft. Look at me go. Anyway, it looked really good. I was thinking I really would like to taste one. Because I haven't taste one yet. But I'll get there. Then I saw the owner of Delish and I thought, she's so pretty. This is a really good spaghetti. It really is. I'm glad I found out about it. because I'll be paying more. See, look. If this wasn't here, this will be on my lap, on my clothes. It's really nice. Yeah, it's really good. I think it cost me $16 this. The free chicken wingdings and the spaghetti and the 2 sauces. But I'm telling you what, it's worth it. I really enjoy it. I bought 2. I thought one of my kids might want to share. No, how come? They were making their own nuggets. So now they're in the room having their own little hangout, their own little mukbang thing. My daughter, her arm, her bone is fractured. You know, I really hope it just mends itself really, really good. I don't want her to be affected, you know, in the future when she has to hold all her babies, change their nappies, push the vacuum, or even work. Yeah, she might be a karate instructor. This is really nice. Made better, lovely. 2 thumbs up, mate. 2 thumbs up. Anyway, so, oh, that's a gallon of me. Anyway, I tell you, these smell so good. It's a Samoan lady that makes it. I bought it from an Indian shop. Indian Pacific. Well, hey, Indian Fijians are Pacific Islanders too. Anyway, so I asked the question, who made those? Did you make them? He goes, no, a Samoan lady drops them off. So this is the coconut one. Oh, I see. It's like the ping. It's nice, but if it had a bit more sauce, it'd be even better. Pastry is good. So here's this coconut one. I guess it's like the German bun, but only in this pie crust. I don't know if the man mixed it or this is the pineapple one, I think. Oh, look at that, guys. No, that's actually really tasty. So whoever made it, well done. Well done. See? This custard is made of water. You can tell because it's clear. But if you add milk, it becomes creamy. So some people don't want to do that. They're used to cooking with water and the pineapple juice. But if you add milk, it becomes nice and creamy. Not too much milk if you don't even want to use that milk. But hey, this is really, really tasty. So whoever made this, well done, well good, well, what a good hand. Really nice. I don't know, the same person makes this, but that's good. See, I said I was going to have good food today. Oh. But this, if only I had a bit more sauce. Just some moisten it as you're eating. Very tasty, very tasty. Man, yeah. You can tell it's made of love. It is. Because it just has that lovely, lovely flavour. I need the ice cream now. Yeah, ice cream truck. Yeah. It comes around loyal every week. But hardly anyone stops for it. Not like back in the days. Back in the days in New Zealand was Mr. Whippy. When you hear that truck, oh, you go looking for your 10 cents. Because Mr. Whippy was 10 cents back in those days, guys. That's how old I am, way back yonder. But if you want a boat, that's the one I used to beg my dad to buy me. But sometimes my dad can't afford it, and sometimes he can. I really can. Oh, I feel rich. This is beautiful, guys. You know why I'm keeping my volume down? It's because my mom's sleeping. Yes, I told her, don't snore. And she goes, I'm not sleeping. And when I went to get the rest of my food, she was already, but silently. But she's in the room. Shh. She's not sleeping over there. Otherwise, we would have heard it. I picture if she was snoring in my other video. And you have no idea, did it? Poor mum. You must tell her something now. 5 minutes later, you ask her, and she'll question like, what? Like, when? Like, we didn't have a talk about it just 5 minutes ago? People say it's a blessing, eh? You get blessing. Well, I feel like that. Well, can't we just look after our parents the way they looked after us, eh? Oh well. I know some people are too busy working, trying to get the money to try and pay their bills. Oh, I tell you what, the houses in New Zealand is ridiculous. The rent is like 500, 600 for a 3-bedroom house. Come on, that is really, like, I feel sorry. I feel sorry for the people that's renting. But then the landlord is money out. I mean, it's not the landlord's fault when, when it's not them that's lifting up the prices of the houses, eh? They're just homeowners. But the rent, oh God. One time I was reading a story about this family in New Zealand. They only had about, let's say, $60 to get food, to scrape by for a week. I mean, his 3 kids, a man and his wife, because the rent was too expensive. And his $60. You know what? It's so sad. Just makes me cry, I cried reading it. Because I think I could just go up to the shop and then just spend it, $60 just like that on myself, So I hope one day New Zealand can bring their house prices down, because it's not fair. It's really, really heartless. I'm just saying, I don't want any homeowners to get angry at me. But when you look at it from the outside, and you're not a homeowner, and you look at it, and you just think, it's sad, eh? Well, it's got it in the Bible. As time draws near, people become like lovers of money, you know? They love money before people. Families, they only care for themselves. No more, not much of their aloha, you know, to help the family. That's sad too. I didn't think it was true because back in the days, a long time ago in the 70s, when my mum first started becoming 7 Days Adventist, she was telling us what she learned. And what she learned was part of that. Like, there'll be time that when families don't have time for each other. And there will be time when families don't get along, they fight. There'll be time for, you know, people that love money more than people. But back in the 70s, 60s, it wasn't really like that. So you don't, so in my mind, when she was explaining it to me and my brothers, I was just thinking, oh, I don't know, everyone loves each other, all the neighbours, all the neighbourhood people, we all get along and everything, so how can that be, you know? And me and my siblings were really close, but then we were little kids then, eh? And then, you know, just the way my mum said, and then she was saying how there'll be time when there will be no more money, you know. Back in the 70s, she told me this. She read it in the Bible. She was telling us this. I was thinking, how can that be? And how she said that there'll be a chip, a number. That everyone will have a number that will just lead to one thing. You'll only have one number to live your life. One number. And then it goes back to the 666 number. Okay, I don't want to get too deep in that. I'm just telling you what I remember as a child, you know, when she was making us sit there and listen to, because, you know, when you're a Christian, or, you know, you get to know about the Bible, it's like you get excited and you want to share with other people, you want to tell it, you know. That's what I'm just saying. That's what I remember my mum telling us. I don't know if my brothers remember that, but I remember that. And then to actually see it and hear that it's happening, you just think, how can we doubt the Bible? I'm just saying, guys. This is so good. Look, I hope you guys get some nice food to eat. Been good hanging out with you guys. I really got me light to make it a bit bright in here. Guess what, guys? I bought a wrong light. I was there back and forth, trying to find the right light, turning on all these lights like I know what I'm doing. And then I choose a light. It was the wrong light. And I was over there charging. But never mind. I'll get it right soon. I'll get it right. Anyway, guys. Sorry, no shout out today, okay, guys? I was just too busy. It's another beautiful day. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's out there somewhere. That's my rainforest behind me. And it's a lovely day again, so I had to run around, do all my washing, hang up the towels. You know, plenty of towels, but it's always good to have fresh lots of towels. Anyway, guys, you guys stay blessed. Always remember to give thanks to the good Lord. Be good to one another. Be good to one another. You know, don't hold any grudges against it. I tell you what, I held grudges for ages. I used to be the best grudge holder. Why? Because to me, I always felt that when I'm genuine to someone and then they hurt me, I just think, okay then, okay, if you didn't want my love, you didn't want my time, okay. And you just want to, you know, do bad to me, oh, I just won't bother, you know. But then I thought, there's always that whisper, like, especially my mum's whisper, forgive, always forgive, always forgive, you know, you'll win if you, I think, what am I going to win? What am I going to win? But you know what it means? You win a good heart. Hey, what do you think? My poor mum, she doesn't have those advices much or at all now. But those advices, I appreciate them. Okay. Anyway. Anyway, oh gosh, I can't even stop. Anyway, guys. Shh. Anyway, oh, shh, be quiet. Anyway, guys, take care, okay? Oh my gosh, why do I do this? Okay, calm. Okay. Anyway, guys, as I was saying, you know, care for one another, care for your parents, and don't forget, give thanks to the good Lord always, because, you know, it's Him that we get our love and our blessing from, our food, everything, health, everything, okay? But always be kind to one another, okay? Because no good holding grudges and stuff like that, okay? And if you got a video, upload it, start your channel, you know, do it. If that's a official thing, like you don't mind to do it, just do it. Okay, why do I have to do this? So sorry, guys, so sorry. The only reason why I'm so sad and I'm teary is because just the thought of not having my mum around one day, that's what's hurting. But anyway, guys, you guys take care, okay? Fast and forth. I'll see you another day, another video when I'm Bye guys, I'm sorry.